Hey loves, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to The Naturally Mia. So in today's video, I'm doing like a scarf video thing, just kind of my like day-to-day scarf looks, or for the most part if I'm wearing a scarf. So my first look is like top knot type of thing. I'm going to undo this so we can see what's under here and get into it. Okay, so under here I have on a wig cap, and then under the wig cap I have flat twist. If you want the best look, you can try to get them super flat on your head. I just don't care, because if I'm wearing a scarf, you should know, like, I threw a scarf on my head. You're gonna get what you're gonna get when I'm wearing a scarf. Period! Period! Okay, so I purchased these from Crown Your Glory, and I will put them in the description box. So for this, you're just gonna take the thing. It comes like that or whatever. You're gonna take it and fold it in half the long way. The way with the fringes, I don't know. I don't know if that made sense. So you're gonna put that in half. Then after you have your half, you're gonna put it half the other way too. And then so when I'm doing the bun, I put the side that's folded in, the side that's folded in, I put that towards the back, and I'm gonna try to center it as best as you can. So I kind of just take it. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot to say. So for my wig cap, it's not like all the way down to my forehead. I have it placed like right on my edges. My edges are actually already done, so you want to be gentle. Like my edges. So you try to be nice like around your edges, because the scarf is going to push back regardless. So that's why I just do my edges, because it'll push back, but you don't have to do it. Like, once again, you put a scarf on, like. So for this part, you're going to tie a knot. I don't know how else to say that. Just kind of make a knot. Try to make it as centered as possible. The more centered it is, the easier. I don't know if mine doesn't look too centered. If it's not centered, just kind of push it. Once again, just be gentle around the edges. That's the problem, is having your edges done. And then you're going to just twist it up. And then I'm going to take like the front part, like the top, like literally where I put the knot, and I'm just going to wrap it around. And then you tuck the end part in, and this is my go-to one. And you just center it, and this is my go-to one. I love this because it's so secure in my head, like quick and easy. Because once you start really practicing and doing it, like you just be like boom, boom, boom. So yes. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our starting point at the wig cap. Also, I wanted to say the wig cap is not mandatory. To me, it just helps, because like I said, my flat twists under here are not that flat. Like, I mean, they're okay, but throwing a wig cap on, I feel like really helps smooth it out, even though it's like, so you might can see it. It's not the end of the world. Okay, so for the next one, I'm using two scarves. So this is also from Crown Your Glory as well, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did before. The reason I just changed colors is because I want this to be my base color. Okay, so after you get the first step down, then you're gonna go back to your or whatever color. Like, I'm just using this for now. You're gonna go to the color that you want to be the show and tell color, and you're gonna put also the part that folds in the back. You're gonna make a knot in the front, tie that together. And then I just, what is this called? Like, kind of rolly thing. I kind of roll it this way. I think this is a form of a twist too, but I'm not gonna say that. It's like a rolly type of thing I do here. And it's really important to get the fringes, because if you don't get the fringes, like, they're gonna bother you later. I promise y'all. So then I take this and I just kind of wrap it around. Wrap it around. And then you want to tuck the fringes in. The mirror I'm looking at is like far away from me, so I can't tell if the fringes are tucked or not. And then I might push it back a little bit. Okay guys, so we're back at our starting point. So the next look I'm gonna do is a crown. Yeah, so we're gonna do it this way. So for this one, and I'm gonna put the front end part, the part that's in or whatever, towards the front of my forehead. I forgot, I haven't done this one in a second. And just be careful with your edges again. And you're gonna make a knot in the back. Get that tight back there. Then you're going to take it and you're going to twist it. And then from there, I'm just going to put it on back. You just wrap it right around. So for the back part here, it's really important to get a good tuck so that it doesn't come flying off. And here's your crown. We're back at the starting point again. Get it centered again. And we're gonna take it and put it, what is this part called? The part going in, we're gonna put it toward our forehead this time. As centered as possible. And then, sometimes I like to push for the front ones. I try to come out actually like a little right on top of my edges, because it's gonna slide back. And you can touch your edges up. Just be careful, because sometimes the gel can like sit on the scarf, and like, it's a light scarf, so that's gonna look ugly. Okay, so then you're going to put a knot here like that. You're gonna tie it so it feels secure on your head. Oh, and also try to bring it, you see I have it kind of to the side. To the side a little bit. So you're gonna make that tight. Then you're going to make a knot like this. So take both of them and then put this here, put this through that, and bring it all the way back here. So you're gonna put a knot right like that. Get that really tight. So then that's how that's looking. And then we're going to twist the remaining parts of the thing. So yeah, it's gonna slide back regardless. But like I said, you can touch the edges up. Just be very careful that you don't get it on the scarf. Then you're gonna take this part and you're gonna wrap it around the knot. And then tuck it in. You can just make sure it's to your liking. I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.